All right, so our first DIY involves this black side table. Looks like they put this together using that TikTok bold trend and then spray painted it black. Now this is a very simple, easy, beginner-friendly DIY project idea. If you wanted to, you could even pre-buy the bowls black. They might have them at like Target or Walmart. And then you're gonna get some type of table tray for the top portion. Looks like they already bought one in black. So then they're just going in, spray painting after gluing the bowls together. And bam, beautiful side table. Very cute. I love the modernness of this particular look. Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. Now if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending DIY project ideas and react to them. So here we have someone doing a Halloween DIY, Halloween inspired. So we have a skull here. It's like they have the knockoff Jenga pieces. So all of this is from the dollar store. Okay, so they use those wooden pieces as like a placeholder. Spray painting it this beautiful metallic silver shade. So this by itself is a nice upgrade, but she goes even further and adds this glitter here, and this is where the magic comes in. This is so beautiful. Look at that. Such a cute little fun project idea too. Gorgeous. And I don't know if you guys have seen some of the Halloween trends for 2023, but a lot of them involve like these beautiful metallic finishes. Oh, I was in Home Goods and just in awe. So we move on to the next project. So we have some clay here that they are molding. Looks like they might be making a vase. So obviously this is after everything has dried. Then they're going in with some paint. I'm gonna guess and say that this is baking soda. And that baking soda just adds some texture. Oh, those came out great. Very cute. Next up, it looks like someone is going to do some type of shelf, bookshelf DIY. That's actually a really nice size. I love the height of that. she's sanding it down. So she's really turning this into more of like a modern style bookshelf. Wow, that's like a nice little easy upgrade. Ooh, look at the color scheme she's doing for this. I thought it was just gonna be like a nice little like neutral piece, but she's going in with the color. Beautiful bright orange. Really added some fun and interest to the piece for sure. Very cool. It's kind of like a nice play on like the color blocking trend. We're seeing color blocking in everywhere, hair, fashion, and even in our furniture pieces. Very cool. We got another Halloween DIY. This one involves a little egg beater from the dollar store. Oh, is this supposed to be a spider? It kind of looks like it, yeah. Hey, we got some styrofoam balls. Well, this is getting interesting. She definitely has to be making a spider. You guys saw that, right? It totally looked like a spider. Okay, so there's the body. Painting it black. Googly eyes. This is a cute little craft. Like, I have no idea how it's gonna turn out, but I'm liking it so far. We got some garland here. Oh, those are the fangs. Oh, that's cute. See what I mean? Like, this is just so creative. I would never in a million years look at these pieces and be like, oh, that can easily be spider legs. Like, this is just mad cute. Love that idea. Alright, you guys, so thank you so much for checking out these DIY projects with me. If you felt inspired, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.